So hello fellow banknote collectors, and in today's video we're looking at some new pickups and how much you could possibly sell them for. So the first lot I got for $15, and these are Samoa's previous banknotes issued from 1967 to, is it 1967? Actually, no, 1980 to 2008 when they replaced them with the current banknote series. So I've got the 5, 10, 20 and the 50 tala. So the currency is a tala, sounds like dollar. And I'm not too sure if these are still legal tender. I just can't find any information on it. So the 5 tala is pretty good. So I've actually shown these before, but these are a different lot that I purchased. And this one in this condition, you could probably sell it for about $5. So that's good. Then we have the 10 tala, between $5 and $10 in this condition. If you want an uncirculated one, you'll be paying quite a lot more. And you can see this one just has Samoa. If you have Samoa I Sisifu, then that is the issue, the earlier issue. So this is from, I think, 2006 with only Samoa. From 1980 to 2006, they had Samoa I Sisifu, so Western Samoa. And so $5 to $10 for that. Then we have the 20 tala. So this sells for at least $10 to $15 by itself. Oh, I forgot the exchange rate. So the exchange rate's about 2 tala equals $1. So this is equivalent to about $10. And that's what it sells for. And here we have the Parliament of Samoa. So quite a nice banknote. And this is one of my first Samoan denominations I ever got, was the 20 tala. And I quite like it because Samoa seems like a nice place to visit. So we got 10, 20, 25. And here we have the 50 tala. So in uncirculated, you're probably paying about $50, $60. But in this condition, probably face value $25. So basically, all these ones, we'll have a look. So there's a, looks like former residents of Robert Louis Stevenson. So it's nice. And on the back we have traditional Samoan dance. Here we have the emblem of Samoa with the Southern Cross. And the watermark is that guy there. So he's the first head of state of Samoa. So basically you got 25, 30, 45, basically $50 if you wanted to purchase this lot. And that's the minimum, roughly. But sometimes if no one's actually bidding on stuff and they put a low value, you can get good value. So I got this $15 when obviously it costs quite a lot more. And this one I got for $10. So these are South Vietnamese banknotes. We have the 10 dong. So this is the 1955 version, and it's quite nice. And these sell themselves for about $10. So for a minimum. In this condition, probably at least $15 to $20. So that's what I've seen them sell for. But it depends on the time that you sell. So when lead up to Christmas, sales drop off, so you can probably get a lot of good things for a lower price. So December, January, but mid-year, when people, it's winter and people like to stay inside, they're more likely to buy and sales go up. So it's $10. Then we have a 1964 20 dong, so it's between $5 and $10 itself. I don't think I have this one in my collection, or if I did, I've sold it before. So this one's gonna be put into my collection so I can say I have that banknote. And then we have the best series issued by South Vietnam, and this is the 1966. So I've got the 100 dong and the 500 dong. The 200 dong of this is quite expensive. You'll be paying a minimum of $20 for just one in pretty much this condition. They seem to be a lot scarcer than these banknotes. The 100 dong seems to be most common. In this condition, probably about not really that much. This dong 500, probably about $5 to $10 in this condition. So both of these together, I'd say about $15. But really, you really want to buy a banknote that's damaged like this. Most people don't, unless they either don't have the budget to buy it and they just want a filler. So this is a good space filler. Or, so this one, Livandoyet in the watermark instead of the dragon. Oh, not dragon, the tiger, lion, tiger, whatever. Anyway, this is the best. And on the back we have a temple complex. And this one, so I like red. Beautiful. And this one has Tan Hong Dao. I believe he's I can't remember who he is, but anyway, this is a nice banknote. And he must have been a naval figure. So here we have some naval ships of the Vietnamese Navy. And what's the watermark of this one? So the watermark is pretty much the guy there. So we're talking about, you know, like we just say $15 for that, and probably $10, so $25, probably $30 that I got for $10. So this is basically how you buy and sell banknotes. You need to buy them for a low value, and you sell them. Even if you just make $2-3 on each lot, and that is profit, then if you sell quite a lot of things, you would make a good deal of money when you actually buy and sell stuff. So that's basically how it goes. Anyway, these I'm probably going to relist again, but thank you for watching my video. If you want any more advice on how to buy and sell currency, please keep watching, because I'll make some more videos in the future. Anyway, thank you very much, and have an awesome coin and banknote collecting time.